You see this question, what do you bring to the table? That question is not usually what you people see it to be. When a guy asks this question, most time he's trying to ask or ascertain how nurturing you are, how emotional supportive you are, how you can be there for him emotionally, psychologically, and otherwise, not the financial aspect of it. The question, what do you bring to, is just how nurturing are you? How are you able to support me emotionally, psychologically, and otherwise? Where and where can you play a crucial role in my life? Where can you come in? Where can you step in? So people should stop finding the question offensive and try to answer it. Like I'm saying, because I know a lot of people who should have had a sound relationship, but because this question was asked, that was the end of it. I mean, that was the end of the date. There was no second date. There was nothing. And I am saying it's not as you people paint it or see it. I hope you learn.